Gina, and I have an Anchor Moments YouTube channel. And just recently, I got diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. I started off with a blood glucose monitor where you prick your finger every single morning, because that's what my doctor wants me to do, is to prick every day, and then once a week give him an average of my numbers of first thing in the morning. He also suggested I take a class. And when I took the diabetes class, the very first class this week, they said to try a Freestyle Libre monitor, because then you can monitor your blood sugar all day long, before and after each meal, as well as before and after you exercise, and then you really know what's going on with your blood sugar, and you can get ideas about your own body about how to better manage your glucose. So I asked my doctor, and you do have to get a prescription for it, and my doctor said absolutely. So I'm gonna try it today. I've watched a video on how to do it. In the one box, you get a monitor. And if you have the Freestyle Libre, the first version, which I have, they also have a phone app that you can also use to check your glucose. In this next set of boxes, I have 2 months worth. So I'm going to open up just one. And in here is an applicator. This is the monitor in here, and an alcohol swab. And the first thing that I'm supposed to do is wipe the area underneath my arm that I would like to put my monitor. So I am going to put mine right here. So get it nice and clean. You want to be sure you get all oils off, and if you have hairy arms, they suggest shaving them. Hopefully more guys for that. Okay, and while that dries, you pull this tab off, and then you take the applicator out, and the applicator you twist. I don't know, they said twist the bottom off.
15 minutes later.
Next, we have to twist this white clear part here off the applicator. Okay, looks like that. All right, and there is a line right here. Do you see that line? We've got to make it line up with this line, what I've been told here. Does that look lined up, Jeff? And then I push, okay, and then pull. Hopefully this is it. Boy, this is scary. I've never done this before. Okay, I cleaned off right here. And then I'm supposed to push it, and it's supposed to put a metal in my arm. Okay, and oh God, I didn't like pricking my finger. This is like really scary. I'm sorry. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that wasn't bad. Actually, it hurts more to prick my finger. Wow. And then I'm supposed to just kind of push it in to hope there's enough stickiness. It's got to last me for 2 weeks. And there we go. And in 1 hour, I should be able to check and know what my blood sugar is. And then I can check over and over again throughout the day for 24 hours a day. I'll be able to check without having to prick my finger again. Yay! And I'm feeling, and there's just a little tingliness, but that really wasn't bad. So if you'd like to see more videos about my brand new type 2 diabetes journey, Please subscribe to my Anchor Moments YouTube channel and look for my type 2 diabetes playlist. And if you have any questions, please put your questions in the comments. I love to research things, and I promise I will research for you because it's also researching for me. And together we're going to work this out. I'll be praying for all of you that you get control of your blood sugar. And if you'd like to pray for me, that would be great. I'll take any prayers I can get. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Please click to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when we post new Anchor Moments videos.